How to download and install Photopea on your PC. I'll show you how to set it up straight from your browser so you can start editing photos like a pro without needing to install any heavy software. Alright, so first, open your browser. I'm using Chrome, but this works with any browser like Edge or Firefox. Just go up to the address bar and type in Photopea. You'll see the first result is the official website, www.photopea.com. Click that. It should bring you right into the Photopea editor. It opens up fast and yeah, it already works in your browser. But we're going to install it as an app for easier access. Now look at the top menu bar and click on the tab that says More. From there, click on Install Photopea. After that, a pop-up will show up. Just confirm by clicking Install again. And just like that, it installs the Photopea app onto your PC. Now to open it, you can either find it on your desktop or just search for Photopea in your start menu. Or it starts automatically, like this one. Now click it and the editor will open just like before. But now it runs like a standalone app. You can start editing right away, create a new project, open a PSD file, whatever you need. And that's it. Super easy. You now have Photopea installed on your computer and ready to use anytime. Happy editing.